In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a grouped product in Woocommerce step by step. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate through the process smoothly. To begin, head over to WordPress.com. This platform is your go-to hub for all things related to building your website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on the Login button, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options that allow you to manage your website content effectively. The next step here is to click on Products. This is your gateway to managing everything related to the items you sell on your site. After clicking Products, a submenu will appear. From there, select All Products, which displays a list of every product currently on your site. Now that all your products are visible, it's time to open the specific product you want to edit, or the product that will become part of your new grouped product. Click on Edit Product to enter its configuration page. This is where most of the magic happens. On the Product Edit page, you'll need to locate the Product Data section, usually found in the middle of the page. Here, you will see a drop-down menu where you can choose the type of product you want to create or edit. Given that we're focusing on grouped products today, go ahead and select Grouped Product from this drop-down. Choosing Grouped Product essentially allows you to create a cluster of products that customers can buy collectively. This is especially useful for offering sets or combinations of items that naturally go together. For example, you might want to group a travel mug with a coffee brewing kit, offering customers a convenient way to purchase related items in one go. And there you have it. You've just added a grouped product to your Woocommerce store. By following these steps, you can easily manage and diversify your product offerings, enhancing both user experience and sales potential in your online store. Remember, creating a grouped product isn't just about business functionality. It also enriches your store's catalog by offering customers a more comprehensive buying experience. Don't hesitate to explore more combinations to discover what works best for your inventory and customer preferences. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need refresher guidance, and keep experimenting with different product groupings to see what resonates most with your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!